Bubba McAllister. Welcome to another episode of How Do You Do That? Today, I've got a treat for you. You're going to love this. I'm going to teach you my secret, surefire Bubba McAllister method on how to make the perfect paper airplane. You're going to love this. Stay tuned. Now, I recommend using an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. First, fold it lengthwise, running your thumbnail along the fold to crease it sharply. Then, unfold the paper. Now, fold down the top corners like this. Let's look at that one more time in close-up. Then, fold the edges toward the center line, like this. Let's look at that one more time in close-up. Next, make a valley fold in half, like this. Now, create a wing crease that begins near the nose. It doesn't have to be perfect, so just relax. This method will work even if everything isn't lined up perfectly. Shoot, it might even work better. Two final steps. First, form a three-dimensional plane shape like this. Then, bend up the tailing edges of the wing. Let's go outside to see how it flies. We'll have the noted paper aeronautical expert Dr. Klaus Vanderslick provide a test flight of the plane. What's her name? Walking down the line, 5 for 10 and guaranteed.
I must say, I am so impressed with the Bubba McAllister method. It is simply tremendous. When I used to fly airplanes before, no good. They fall straight to the ground. This one has potential to be the greatest paper airplane in the history of mankind. I endorse the Bubba McAllister paper airplane method.
I hope you've enjoyed this episode of How Do You Do That? Soon you'll be making paper airplanes like nobody in the neighborhood. Shoot, your neighbors will be so jealous of you that you'll be the talk of the town. Until next time, this is Bubba McAllister saying, how do you do that?
What's her name? Walking down the line, 5 for 10 and guaranteed to blow your mind. The girl just give me one more reason to let her know she's fine. That long-legged angel's got to be all mine.